Ketones actually increase brown fat. If you've ever roasted a marshmallow or on a fire, you know how it gets a little bit brown. That's what we want to do to the fat inside of our bodies. We want to kind of roast it a little bit. We want to cook it. We don't want the fluffy, big white marshmallows. We want a little bit brown and cooked fat. That's how we want our fat to look inside of our bodies, because that fat actually increases energy expenditure. We want that fat cooking. So what we're seeing in this study is when we're in ketosis, which ketones can put you in very quickly, you see decreases in hunger, you see decreases in desire to eat, and you see increases in fullness. And it's acting on a hormone called ghrelin.
So talking about leptin and ghrelin, those are both hormones that control satiety. So leptin is a hormone that says I'm full, ghrelin is a hormone that says I want to eat. People are leptin resistant. So they have really high leptin levels, but still have a lot of food cravings. So they're hormones that just help to control and manage appetite. And what we have found is that beta hydroxybutyrate, or BHB, can actually impact our leptin and ghrelin levels. So that's why we experience greater satiety when we consume exogenous ketones or follow a ketogenic diet, because it helps to manage and manipulate these two hormones that say I'm hungry or I'm full, so eat or don't eat.
And so that's how ketosis and ketones are working. It's lowering ghrelin levels, which basically, when you feel super hungry and you feel like you want to eat everything, ghrelin is really high. Ketones bring ghrelin lower, so your hunger levels drop, your desire to eat drops, and your fullness goes up.
There are many ways in which fat loss can happen. The way to look at ketosis is as an accelerator or an accelerant path that helps expedite the process. By changing the fuel that your body primarily uses, from carbohydrates and glucose to fat and ketones, you are priming your body to burn fat.